Picture this. It's Monday morning, your alarm didn't go off. You're already running late. You stumble into the kitchen, desperate for caffeine. You grab your favorite mug, you pour in the coffee. But wait, you forgot to make the coffee. Sound familiar? We've all been there. Life is a whirlwind of to-do lists, deadlines, and that one sock that always disappears in the dryer. It's enough to make anyone want to crawl back into bed and hide. But before you declare yourself officially over it for the day, let me introduce you to a little something called mindfulness. Now, before you click away thinking this is some new age mumbo-jumbo, trust me, mindfulness is simpler and way more fun than you think. Mindfulness is like hitting the pause button on your brain's remote control. It's about being present in the moment instead of letting your thoughts race ahead to all the things you have to do later. Think of it like this. Your mind is a stage. Usually it's filled with a cast of thousands, all vying for your attention. Worries about work, that awkward thing you said in 2007, your growing to-do list, they're all clamoring for the spotlight. Mindfulness is like gently ushering those thoughts off stage, leaving you with a quiet, empty stage. And the best part? You get to decide what takes center stage. The simplest way to dip your toes into the mindful waters? Deep breathing. I know. You're thinking, Ellen, I breathe all the time. That's how I'm still alive. But trust me on this one. Most of us are shallow breathers, especially when we're stressed. We take short, quick breaths that keep our bodies in fight or flight mode. Deep breathing, on the other hand, is like hitting the reset button. Find a quiet spot, or your car, no judgment here. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a beat, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this a few times, focusing on the rise and fall of your breath. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, and it only takes a few minutes. We've all been there. You're so busy juggling work, emails, and trying to remember where you put your phone that you inhale your lunch in record time. And then you can't even remember what it tasted like. Mindful eating is about slowing down and actually paying attention to your food. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and just focus on the experience of eating. Notice the colors, textures, and aromas of your food. Chew slowly and savor each bite. It's amazing how much more you enjoy your meal when you're not scarfing it down like it's about to run away. Plus, mindful eating can actually help you eat less and make healthier choices. When you're present with your food, you're more likely to recognize when you're full and satisfied. The art of the mindful micro break. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. We're constantly on the go, checking things off our to-do lists, and rushing from one thing to the next. But here's the thing. Our brains weren't designed for this constant stimulation. We need breaks. And I'm not talking about scrolling through social media on the toilet, although no judgment here. Mindful micro breaks are all about taking a few minutes to step away from the chaos and recharge. It could be as simple as stepping outside for some fresh air, listening to a calming song, or doing a quick meditation. Even just a few minutes of mindful downtime can make a world of difference in how you feel. It helps reduce stress, improve focus, and boost your overall well-being. Look, I get it. Life is busy. You're not going to become a mindfulness guru overnight, and that's okay. The point isn't to be perfect, it's to find small ways to incorporate mindfulness into your everyday life. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember to take a deep breath, savor your food, or just step away for a few minutes of quiet time. Your mind and your taste buds will thank you for it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go meditate on the meaning of life, or maybe just take a nap. Either way, I'm being mindful about it.